Bug a beagle. And a bug a beagle.
Do you want to go back to Turkey? There's Turkey.
Is that?
Mm-hmm.
A turkey.
Yeah, you remember seeing him?
Is that him? It's him.
No, you wouldn't have shot him. Hug him. Yeah, you would hug him. He might peck you, though. Want to see the bald eagle again? Which do you like better, the turkey or the bald eagle?
A turkey.
Oh, the turkey now. Okay.
A turkey. Was he backyard?
Yeah, he was out in the front yard. The bald eagle was in the backyard, huh?
Oh, chasing birds.
Yeah.
And bird flew away.
Did he fly away?
And flew away.
Yeah.
Shoot him.
No, I wouldn't shoot him. Just the bad guys. I only shoot the bad birds.
Oh, mommy bird.
Mommy doesn't shoot birds, only Daddy.
Ate a bird.
Your Uncle Mike would shoot birds.
A bird ate a.
Yeah.
And shoot him.
No, only shoot the bad house sparrows.
Jackie.
No, we don't shoot chickadees. We like them.
Hug him.
Yeah, if we could, we would hug him.
Oh.
Oh, look, it's bald eagle again.
The bug a beagle.
Yeah. Just see if we can find the nuthatch again.
Oh.
Nuthatch. There he. Oh no, that's the woodpecker. Oh, the blue jay. Where did the nuthatch go? Oh, there he is.
A nuthatch.
Yeah.
And a bug a beagle.
Remember what that is?
Chicky.
Yeah.
What chicky you are?
Yeah.
Look at that chicky store.
Uh-huh.
Look at that chicky.
What sound does a chickadee make? What sound do they make?
Chickadee-dee-dee.
Yeah.
Bug a beagle again.
Okay, let me see if I can find him. There he is. Whoa.
Turkey again.
Turkey? Alright. Oh, there he is. Turkey!
I see him. Look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Uh-huh.
Look at him. Bug a beagle.
We go back to the ball. There he is.
Oh my.
Oh my.
A bird. Bad bird.
No, he's a good bird. He eats bad birds. Like
Eat.
crows.
Eat.
Yeah.
Summer. Turkey. Oh, Zoe. Oh, let's find
What do you want to find now?
bug a beagle.
Okay, well he's back here. Whoops, here. There he is.
A turkey again?
Okay, turkey's right over here. There he is.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Shoot him.
No! Only if it's hunting season.
Shoot him.
No.
Bug a beagle shoot him.
No, here, I'll show you who we would shoot. Let's see. Oh, there was the cardinal. We wouldn't shoot him, though.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let's shoot him.
No, we only shoot the bad guys. Where is he?
Uh-oh. Oh.
There. We would shoot him.
No. Ain't that? It's the bird.
Yeah.
Bad bird.
Bad bird, yeah.